Hello friends, this is Sam, and sorry I cannot come to the class today. My daughter is a little under weather, and the school says that we should keep her under observation for 1 day. So I have to stay home with her. I'm posting some stuff that we can work on today. We cannot miss time. So please bear with me. I'm showing you some things on Brightspace. So just take a minute to walk yourself through all these steps so that we can all be on the same page. The morning class, the morning math class has already covered the addition, subtraction, and multiplication of polynomials. We are working on Unit 2. P5 is a chapter, P5, which is polynomials. Right here, if you see, I have started Unit 2, polynomials. You will see this in your Brightspace. So if you go to this unit of polynomials, you will know that what we are going to do. Sorry about that. So you will see that we are going to cover P5, P6, P7, and 3.3. Okay, so these are all the chapters from textbook that we'll cover. For today, I want you to do two things. First is go to P5. So this is the whole section. So if I go again, I'm in the Unit 2, and you will see that over here, that's where section P5, where polynomials are. And this is an assignment on that chapter P5. So first, take a moment to go into chapter P5, okay, and watch the top 3 videos, okay? Adding and subtracting polynomials, multiplying binomials and trinomials, and using FOIL method. You will find yourself a little bit comfortable with these 3, okay? After that, if you think this was something that you are comfortable with, go ahead all the way until this point. The morning class has covered all this, so my afternoon class, I know it's a lot of videos or a lot of things, but I will try to give you a quick revision before we start working on it on Friday. But I will give you a full assignment on P5, which will be due this weekend. So it will be great if you watch it today and start working on your assignment. So the bottom part right here will be the assignment. I'll go back. So out from this section, I'll go back. So once again, that's the section P5 that we were looking at. And over here is the assignment. So open the assignment. There are hardly 40 or 50 questions. I believe 50 questions. So we'll start practicing on it today. And that's all the work that we have. So just grab your laptops. I'm sorry I cannot be there. There are 45 questions. So I'm sorry I cannot be there in the class with you today. But please, let's not waste time and let's start working on this assignment. Okay, so this will be an advanced study. The more you study, the more questions you'll have in the classroom, and the more we can work on going beyond it. Secondly, I'm going to post another video on how to work on study plan, and I'll show you in class as well. Okay, so thank you, and hope you have a good day. Sorry for not being here again.